but for the sake of the program, we are going to introduce our speaker before proceeding further. Dr. Sheetal Sharma is currently working as professor and director at Amar Shaheed Baba Ajit Singh Jujar Singh Memorial College of Pharmacy, Bela, Rupert. Sir has 16 years of teaching and research experience. Sir has guided 58 M-Pharmacy students, in which 5 are ongoing, and 8 PhD students, in which 4 are ongoing. Sir has 109 research papers, 5 patents, and 14 copyrights and 21 books to his credit. Sir is working on different research projects sponsored by DST, AICT, MODROP, AICT, RPS. Sir is awarded with Punjab Silver and Bronze Certificate, Best Paper Award, and Best Teacher Award in the year 2017. Sir has been honored with Young Scientist Award in the year 2019. He is life member of APTI, IPA, SPUR, and IPGA. Sir is also a member of BOS Pharmacy, IKJ, PTU, and also the member of Academic Council, IKG, PTU. Sir is also the expert member of SGGS Skill University, Punjab. I welcome you, sir. And now it's over to you, sir.
A very good afternoon to all the participants, expert members of today's workshop. And first of all, I give thanks to the Director of the Institute, Principal Sir, Dr. Kumar Gauravji, to give me this opportunity to deliver my talk, my thinkings to the budding students. I'm thankful to Dr. Anjali Sharma, Madam. Madam, may I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir. You're absolutely audible, sir.
So I'm thankful to the Dr. Anjali Sharma, Madam, who gave me very nice and इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ मी. हम इस काबिल तो नहीं थे, पर आप लोगों ने बना दिया. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आप लोगों के सपोर्ट और साथ के साथ ही हम यहाँ तक पहुँच पाए. सो आई वेलकम ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स इन दिस स्मॉल वर्कशॉप. So today I will try give a brief. Madam, the slides are open, are visible to you, ma'am?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. So thank you very much. Today's I select my topic on the recent trends in capacity building of pharmacy professionals in the era of globalization. So let us start today's talk. I say it is only a talk. What is the means of the globalization? The globalization means the worldwide movement toward the economics, financial, trade, communications, and the integrations. Today, each and every company wants to move their business in worldwide by with the economics, their financial conditions, by using trades, communications, and the integrations. Dear students and the participants, you have to see a very common companies, MNCs, who establish themselves in worldwide, like McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Apple, HP, Google, and many more. Now, the question is, what is a company, or how a company stands globally? The quality policies of the company and the quality of the product, quality of the company's product is only standards globally. If our product is not a quality product, then everyone reject our product and cannot stand globally. The pharmaceutical company stands globally by its also a quality policies like quality production, quality analysis, and the quality marketing. यदि हमें हमारी फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी को एक ग्लोबली स्टैंड करना है, तो उसके लिए जरूरी है कि हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट हम बनाएं वो क्वालिटी वाला हो. तो जो प्रोडक्ट बनेगा वो किससे बनेगा? द क्वालिटी प्रोडक्शन से, क्वालिटी एनालिसिस से, एंड देयर क्वालिटी मार्केटिंग. Now what is a company? A company क्या है? And who makes the company? A company is an association and collection of the individual persons. If we imagine, यदि कंपनी में काम करने वाले लोग ही नहीं हैं, तो क्या कंपनी कंपनी रहेगी? नो, केवल मशीन ही मशीन वहां पर होगी, पर वहां पर ना कोई प्रोडक्शन होगा, ना एनालिसिस होगी, ना किसी नया इनोवेशन हो पाएगा. सो इट इज वेरी कंपल्सरी टू रन ए कंपनी टू हैविंग एन इंडिविजुअल्स. तो यदि हम बात कर रहे हैं कंपनी की, कंपनी ग्लोबली रन करनी चाहिए, कंपनी के प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी वाले होने चाहिए, तो इसके लिए जरूरी है कि कंपनी के अंदर जितने इंडिविजुअल्स वर्क कर रहे हैं, जितने इंडिविजुअल्स काम कर रहे हैं, वो सारे के सारे कैसे होंगे? क्वालिटी वाले होंगे. तभी हमारी कंपनी भी क्वालिटी कंपनी बन पाएगी और क्वालिटी कंपनी ही ग्लोबली स्टैंड कर पाएगी. सो इट इज वेरी नेसेसरी टू द फार्मा प्रोफेशनल्स टू बी ए क्वालिटी पर्सन, टू मेक ए कंपनी ए क्वालिटी कंपनी, टू मेक अप देयर प्रोडक्ट्स quality products for the global world, for the global use of the materials. Dear participants, these are some examples of the companies, pharmaceutical companies who are established as an worldwide with their quality products like Johnson Johnson, Roche, Pfizer, Abbott, Cipla, Sun, Lupin, Glenmark, and many more. That we are ready, our students are ready for the pharmaceutical globalized career. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन जो हमें अपने आप से पूछना है और हमें अपने आप ही इसका जवाब अपने अंदर देखना है. क्या हम तैयार हैं हमारे ग्लोबलाइज्ड कैरियर के लिए? द ग्लोबलाइज्ड कंपनी नीड्स एन इंडिविजुअल. हर कंपनी को एक ऐसे इंडिविजुअल चाहिए जिसके अंदर दीज क्वालिटीज जो उसके अंदर प्रेजेंट हो. दीज आर परसिस्टेंस, कमिटमेंट, फ्लेक्सिबल, स्पेशलाइज्ड, ट्रेन्ड, स्किल्ड, कॉन्फिडेंट एंड एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. स्टूडेंट्स, यदि आज आपके अंदर ये नहीं है क्वालिटीज, तो लेट अस स्टार्ट टू स्किल अप आवर क्वालिटीज विद दिस इंडिविजुअल क्वालिटीज. यदि आज के टाइम पर हमारे पास ये क्वालिटीज होंगी तो कोई भी ग्लोबलाइज्ड कंपनी हमें अच्छे पैकेज सैलरी पर रखेगी. कहते हैं कि हर खुदा बंदे से पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. वो एक कंपनी पूछनी चाहिए कि बताओ आप हमारे यहाँ पे क्या कितनी क्वालिटीज हैं, तो हम आपको हमारी कंपनी में लेना चाहते हैं, बताओ क्या सैलरी लोगे, क्या पैकेज लोगे. देन यदि ये क्वालिटीज हमारे अंदर हैं, देन वी रन आवर शो वेरी वेल. द फार्मास्यूटिकल ग्लोबलाइज्ड कैरियर, इफ वी आर अनप्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट, देन वी स्टार्ट टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द ग्लोबलाइज्ड कैरियर. माय फेवरेट बुक यू कैन विन, जीत आपकी, उसके ऊपर हेडलाइन पे लिखा हुआ है द विनर्स डोंट डू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. जो जीतने वाले लोग होते हैं वो काम कुछ अलग नहीं करते, बट दे वर्क द डूइंग द थिंग्स डिफरेंटली. वो उस काम को एक अलग तरीके से करते हैं. एंड जब हमारे क्लास में जब हमने 10th करा था, तो 10th के अंदर हमारे संग 60-50 स्टूडेंट्स थे. क्या सारे स्टूडेंट मेरिट में थे? क्या सारे स्टूडेंट फेल हो गए थे? क्या सारे स्टूडेंट फर्स्ट डिवीजन पास हुए थे? क्या सेकंड डिवीजन पास हुए थे? सारे नो. उनके अंदर एक कैटेगरीज थी. कुछ बच्चे की 90% थे, 80% थे, 70 थे, 60 थे, कुछ फेल भी हुए थे. सो जब हमारे लिए क्लासरूम सेम था, एनवायरनमेंट सेम था, हमारे लिए टीचर सेम थे, हमारे लिए बुक सेम थी, हमारे लिए सिलेबस सेम था, तो हाउ इट विल हैपन कि हम सब अलग अलग क्यों हो गए? क्योंकि जिसके 90% आए उसने कुछ आंसर शीट के अंदर कुछ उसे अलग तरीके से लिखा होगा, अपने आंसर को जो रिप्रेजेंट किया होगा वो कुछ अलग तरीके से किया होगा, तभी उसको उसी चीज के नंबर मिले. या हमसे कुछ गलतियां रह गई होंगी तभी हमारे कुछ नंबर कटे होंगे. मींस कि यदि हम किसी भी काम को डिफरेंट तरीके से करते हैं, डिफरेंटली उसको ऑर्गेनाइज करके शो ऑफ करते हैं, देन इट इज ट्रू कि वी आर नॉट इन अ क्यू, वी आर आउट ऑफ द क्यू, और वी कैन से वी आर आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स फॉर द ग्लोबलाइज्ड कैरियर. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, देयर आर वेरी opening doors and there are discovery of the opportunities, ample of the opportunities for working in the area. Only you have a quality. यदि आपके अंदर क्वालिटी होगी तो आज आपके लिए किसी भी काम की कोई कमी नहीं है. इतनी जॉब्स हैं, इतना सब कुछ है, बट यदि हमारे पास क्वालिटी नहीं है, देन इट इज वेरी इम्पॉसिबल कि कोई हमें हमारे यहाँ पर जॉब पर रखे. The globalized pharmaceutical careers, there are too much opportunities in the areas of production, analysis, IPR, marketing, clinical research and pharmacovigilance. These are the some fields जिसकी आज के टाइम पर सबसे ज्यादा इंडस्ट्री को जरूरत है. तो इनके अंदर हम हमारी स्किल्स को कैसे इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं और हमारी स्किल्स को और कैसे अच्छा कर सकते हैं, जिससे वी कैन गेट अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी इन द फील्ड ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल्स. Some courses which are related to the production, analysis, IPR, marketing and clinical research, which gives a very much skills to us, जो हमें skills देंगी. बार बार गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री, हर कोई बात करता है द स्किल पर्सन की. व्हाट इज द मीन्स ऑफ स्किल? हम लोग यहाँ पर आके हर बार अटक जाते हैं कि स्किल्स क्या है. देन द स्किल्स क्या है? जो हम किताबी ज्ञान ले रहे हैं वो स्किल है क्या? जो हम किताब में से चीजें सीख रहे हैं क्या वो स्किल है? नो, these are not any skills, these are our knowledge. Then what is the skill? There are two type of these skills. One skills are soft skills and one skills are hard skills. फ्रेंड्स, आपने देखा होगा कि एक साइकिल में पंचर लगाने वाला बंदा बहुत अच्छा पंचर लगा देता है. क्या उसने उसके लिए कोई किताब पढ़ी थी? क्या उसने उसके लिए कोई ट्रेनिंग ली थी? क्या उसके पास कोई ऐसी चीजें थी जिससे उसने सीखा? नो. उसने अपने दिमाग से, अपने हाथों से उस चीज को लर्न किया. लर्न करने के बाद हर बार अलग तरह का पंचर उसके सामने आता है. कभी छोटा होता है, कभी टायर फट गया, कभी बड़ा होता है, कभी 2 होते हैं, कभी 3 होते हैं. देन ऑटोमेटिकली उसका माइंड वर्क करता है, माइंड के हिसाब से हाथ काम करते हैं. जब उसके वो काम हाथ काम करते हैं, देन वो उस काम को पूरा कर सकता है. तो ऐसी नॉलेज जो हमारे दिमाग को रन करे और साथ के साथ उससे हमारे हैंड रन चालू हो जाए, काम करना चालू करें, देन दीज आर नोन एंड स्किल्स. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, हम सब एचपीएलसी की पूरी नॉलेज जानते हैं. कितने पंप, कितने उसके अंदर कवेट्स लगनी है, कहाँ कहाँ सैंपलिंग होनी है, कितने माइक्रोलीटर की सैंपलिंग होनी है, कौन कौन से उसके अंदर डिटेक्टर्स लगे हुए हैं. वी नो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन वेल मैनर. बट जब आपको कहा जाए कि आप एचपीएलसी पे काम कीजिए, तो क्या आप उस पर अपना वो काम कर सकते हैं? नो. तो ये क्या दिक्कत है कि हमें नॉलेज है बट वी डिड नॉट हैव द स्किल्स. तो दीज आर दी हार्ड स्किल्स, जिससे हम हमारे माइंड को रन करते हैं और रन से हमारे हाथ चलते हैं और हम किसी भी काम को पूरा करते हैं. देन सेकेंड वन आर दी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, जिससे माइंड की प्रेजेंस से हम लोग केवल और केवल हमारी जो बोलचाल है, हमारा कम्युनिकेशन है, हमारी बॉडी लैंग्वेज है, हमारी आईज के मूवमेंट्स हैं, हमारे हाथों के मूवमेंट्स हैं, जिससे कि हम एक इफेक्टिव प्रेजेंटेशन दे सके. देन दीज आर नोन एज दी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, जिसके अंदर हमें हाथ चलाने की जरूरत नहीं होगी. हमारी बॉडी, हमारा सब कुछ, एक गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स ऑफ राइटिंग, a good communication skills of speaking, good communication of effective skills of product lecturing. जो हमारी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स होंगी.
सले सर आपकी स्लाइड मूव नहीं हो रही है.
नहीं, मैं यहाँ ही हूँ अभी सर.
अच्छा, यही हो आप? ठीक है.
हाँ जी सर.
ठीक.
तो दीज आर दी स्किल्स जो सॉफ्ट स्किल्स एंड हार्ड स्किल्स हैं, जिसके लिए हमें काम करना चाहिए. ऐसे ही यदि हमें फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री के अंदर काम करना है, तो उन फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री के अंदर जो डिफरेंट एरियाज है, जिसके लिए हमें डिफरेंट स्किल्स चाहिए, दीज आर दी प्रोडक्शन, एनालिसिस, आईपीआर, मार्केटिंग एंड फार्माकोविजिलेंस. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यस वी हैव लैक इन आवर सिलेबस, कि हमारे सिलेबस के अंदर ये सारी स्किल्स आज के टाइम पर अवेलेबल नहीं है. बट पीसीआई इज वर्किंग ऑन इट एंड वेरी फास्ट मैनर, कि हम जल्दी से जल्दी ये सारे स्किल कोर्स को हमारे सिलेबस के अंदर इंट्रोड्यूस कर दें. लेट अस सी सम कोर्सेज जो हमें हमारी पढ़ाई के साथ साथ करने चाहिए. बट उससे पहले वी हैव चूज अवर एरिया, कि हमें किस एरिया के अंदर हमारे को हम अपना लाइफ आगे देखते हैं, या हम किस सेक्टर के अंदर हमारा जाके काम करना चाहते हैं इन फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्रीज लाइक प्रोडक्शन, एनालिसिस, आईपीआर, मार्केटिंग एंड विजिलेंस. यदि हमने एक रास्ता तय कर लिया है, तो उसके हिसाब से कुछ छोटे छोटे कोर्सेज हैं, हर जगह अवेलेबल हैं. इंटरनेट पर आप डालेंगे, इनके बारे में आपको पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी. मोस्ट ऑफ द कोर्सेज आर नाउ अ टाइम ऑनलाइन एंड फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. जो आपके 3 महीने से लेके 6 महीने के, साल भर के वो कोर्सेज हैं, इट आर अवेलेबल इन दी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मैनर. आप उनको करके अपनी स्किल्स को डेवलप कर सकते हैं. तो लेट अस स्टार्ट वन बाय वन विद द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ कोर्सेज. This is the simple diploma in pharmaceutical production management, which gives about the pharmaceutical industry structure and their history, technical aspects of the pharmaceutical production, GMPs in the pharmaceutical industries, principle of pharmaceutical production management, drug rules, other laws, and new drug policies which comes time to time by the government of India. इन सब की जानकारी हमको मिलेगी इस डिप्लोमा के अंदर, और डिप्लोमा करने के बाद किसी भी कंपनी के प्रोडक्शन के लिए हम बड़े क्वालिटी वाले पर्सन हो सकते हैं. द नेक्स्ट कोर्स इज रिगार्डिंग टू द प्रोडक्शन आल्सो. Then diploma in product management of the pharmaceuticals, which gives the general aspect of the product management, steps, tools and techniques for the pharmaceutical product management, the various difficulties which may implement it during the pharmaceutical projects, the various success and failures of pharma projects, and how to improve the pharma project performance, how to start the pharmaceutical factory project, feasibility reports and preparation formats, process technologies, and pharmaceuticals. So these are the some guidelines for these courses. The next course in the line of production, this is the diploma in herbal drug manufacturing management. Nowadays, very companies are coming in the era for the herbal drug manufacturing. So in this course, we have learned about the technical aspects of the herbal drug production, requirement of plant, equipment, and each section of minimum square feet area and requirement to the other departments. Herbal drug manufacturing industry with a structure, rules and their regulations, costing and packaging of the herbal drugs, details of the project for herbal drug manufacturing unit, etc. The next course in the production is the diploma in pharmaceutical purchasing, store and inventory management. This is a very big area where we take materials, raw materials and the finished material in our stores. So how to complete this course and what are the features of this course are the principle and practice of the pharmaceutical management, practice in the pharmaceutical purchase and material management, pharmaceutical store management and techniques in the pharmaceutical stores, scrap, safety, equipment, training in the pharmaceutical stores, stock control, recording and inventory management in pharmaceuticals, packaging of C&F, bonded stores, distribution in the pharmaceuticals. The next course in the production, it is the diploma in pharmaceutical packaging, and it is a very good stream of our industry. Principles and practice of the pharmaceutical management, basics of the pharmaceuticals packaging, pharmaceutical packaging materials which are used nowadays, quality control and rules of the pharmaceutical packaging, pharmaceutical packaging machineries and techniques, productivity in the pharmaceutical packaging, utilizations of the pictograms. This is the new things of QR codes, barcodes, data metrics, and pictograms, which are available nowadays on the label of the medicines. So this is a very new field and an interactive field. The students may choose their career in the packaging management. The next is the related in the production. It is the pharmaceutical cost management. Cost management is a very big part to the industry. Every industry wants to reduce their cost of the material. The cost of the material is very important to the company. ईशा, मैं कॉल करता हूँ थोड़ी देर में, आपको थोड़ी देर में कॉल करता हूँ मीटिंग में. The principles and practice of the pharmaceutical management, principle of the cost accounting, designing of the costing system, designing of the budgetary control system, managerial decision making, cost reduction, methodology and techniques, and drug price control. These are the features of this program. The next important course or program in the PG diploma in the pharmaceutical validation, for material validations, process validation, method validation, equipment validation, industrial validation, product validation, and document validation. The next course related to the production is the certificate course and short-term courses in the manufacturing of the instrumentation. Like each and every company was going to the controlled drug delivery systems, sustained drug delivery systems. So there are nanos formulations. So nowadays companies want the quality persons who have a rich experience of the preparation of these type of the dosage forms, like liposomal preparation facility, microemulsions, in vitro permeation and release study, safety equipments, ultracentrifugation, probe sonicators, homogenizers, rheometers, texture analyzers, rotavapors, etc. The next field is related to the analysis. Analysis means when we prepare our product, and in the stepping of the product management, we have to analyze our product to ensure our quality in the product. So these are the some course guidelines for the diploma pharmaceutical quality control and quality assurance management. The features of this course and what we have to learn After the completion of this course, these are the different principles and practice of the pharmaceutical management, meaning of the quality control and quality assurance, structure requirement, job responsibility of the quality control departments, setting quality control laboratory, function of quality control department, GMP and quality control, safety testing of pharmaceuticals, different ISO certificate and evolution of the packaging materials, auditing of the function of total quality control, TQM. The next one is the advanced diploma in pharmaceutical quality assurance management. It may completes the learning outcomes of this course of safety and health environment in pharmaceutical principle and practice, SOPs and good laboratory practices, basic principle and methods, medicine control council guideline for pharmaceuticals by South Africa, European guidelines, US FDA norms, international conference ICH guidelines, registration.
I think there is some network issue with the speaker. Sir is joining again, so please be patient.
Anjali madam, I am audible to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're absolutely audible, sir.
Sorry for the internet disruption.
No issue, sir.
The screens are visible.
Yes, sir. Your screen is visible.
Okay. So we are at the clinical research. This is the next program. This is Advanced Diploma in Clinical Research and Data Management. The regulations regarding the clinical trials, good clinical practices, stakeholders for the clinical trials, standard operating procedures, different career clinical trial designs, clinical trial data management, monitoring clinical trials, pharmacovigilance, and the audits. The next clinical research program is the professional certification in the pharmacovigilance. Nowadays, the pharmacovigilance is a very big field to earn a lot of money, and there is a sky is the limit for this type of the programs. They consist of the pharmacovigilance roles and responsibilities in CROs and their sponsors, clinical development process, adverse event and its types, expected reporting and its timelines, seriousness criteria of the adverse events, casualty assessment of the adverse events, and introduction to safety databases and different types. In this type of the programs, they are generally in the night shift, and the Indian students can work very hardly and earn too much money after completion of these courses and appoint as a CROs and the sponsors in the clinical pharmacovigilance programs. In the next, this is the professional certification in the clinical data management. It may describe the processing of the data that is generated during the different clinical trials. Then professional certification in clinical assay. How to analyze the database and give an effective result to that. In the next part of the clinical research, this is the medical writing. In this, we have to explore ourselves for the publication writing, branding and commercial
Sir,
writing.
sorry to interrupt,
narrative
but your
writing.
slide is not visible, sir.
Okay.
Your slide is not visible.
Now,
Now also it is not visible. It is mentioned COP Bela. Now it has started. Yes, sir.
so we are going on the clinical research and the medical writing. Now it's okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Then the clinical study reports, common technical documents. These are known as CTD, and nowadays these are ECTDs. Those are submissions, handling of statistical medical writing, effective literature search, legal and copyright issues in the medical writing. The next type of the area in the pharmaceutical field, this is the IPR. In this, there are laws regarding to the diplomas of drug laws, diplomas in drug regulatory affairs, in which we have learned on the quality assurance principle and practices, SOPs and good laboratory practices, basic principle and methods, drug master files, drug licensings, application, renewal and filling of procedures, US FDA guidelines regarding the drug regulatory affairs, European guidelines, and guidelines of the different countries. The next diploma is the advanced diploma in international regulatory affairs, in which we have learned the basics of international regulatory affairs, international guidelines, domestic and international licensing and approval of the drugs, overview of the health authorities of the world, introduction of regulatory documents, clinical trials, the applications, dossier publications, facing audits, and regulatory professionals. The next course is the advanced diploma in the patent and regulatory management, and in which we have learned the intellectual properties like patents, patent laws, territories, patent search, patent drafting, patent application and procedures, use and abuse of the patents, regulatory interfaces, IP portfolio, and management of the drug. Then the last segment is about the marketing. In the marketing, we have a very big area to earn a lot of money and a lot of respect and a lot of each and everything in the pharmaceutical marketing of the drug, in which the first diploma is the pharmaceutical marketing management, in which the students have to learn the pharmaceutical marketing and their structure, promotion activities and pharmaceutical marketing, pharmaceutical market research and analysis, distribution channel in the pharmaceutical marketing, controlling aspects in the pharmaceutical marketing, general aspect of pharmaceutical marketing, technical aspects of pharma marketing, anatomy, physiology and pathophysiology, and industrial pharmacology. And second course is the diploma in pharmaceutical promotion and advertisements, in which we have learned about the principle and practice of the pharmaceutical management. What is the structure of the pharmaceutical management department? Details of the pharmaceutical advertising, aspects and pharmaceutical sales promotion, and the different advertising materials, which may consist the pharmaceutical promotional ads, effects of various promotional ads on the doctors, consumers, and the weightage to the such promotional ads to building the sales of the company. The next marketing diploma is the diploma in the medical representative sales management, principles and practice of the pharmaceutical management structure, pharmaceutical marketing department, advertising and sales promotion of the pharmaceutical product through MR, reporting the function and medical representative, technical knowledge and personality development of the medical representative. And the next course is the diploma in the pharmaceutical wholesale and drugstore management, in which the students will learn about the principle and practice of the pharmaceutical management, structure of the pharmaceutical industry, legal aspects and the drugstore, wholesale drugstore, how to start the drugstore and wholesale of the drugstore, purchasing and inventory controls, sales promotion, personal administration and management of the drugstore, pricing of the product, risk management, controlling of the wholesale and retail drugstore, project report, idea drugstore, wholesale drugstore to start a new business. Next is the very big opportunity for the students in the import and export of the pharmaceutical medicines. As we all know, we are the third rank in the India, which have a generic drug production. And nowadays, our generic drugs are established about the quality of the drugs which are produced by the companies. So nowadays, India is want to export their generic medicines to the other countries. We are suppliers at the 7th rank in the world of the medicines, and very recently example of the COVID vaccine. We are only the country which may export thousands and crores of the doses to the other countries. So this is a very big opportunity nowadays for the students to learn how to import and export the drugs in various countries. So in this course, we have learned the principle and practices of the pharmaceutical management, background of pharmaceutical industries in the India, rules and regulations for import and export of the drug, pharmaceutical imports, basics of the pharmaceutical imports, pharmaceutical export costing and the finances, pharmaceutical export documentation, production, packaging, shipping, and their project reports. The next diploma course in the pharmaceutical product management is the brand management. How to create a brand of our company. हम हमारी कंपनी को ब्रांड कैसे बनाते हैं कि हर कोई उसी को मांगे. For an example, a Dolo 650 is a brand of the COVID. एक ही ब्रांड था जो मार्केट में रन कर रहा था, and this is the Dolo 650. There are various companies who make production of the paracetamol 650 mg, but only the market is captured by the Dolo 650. So this is the brand of the company. So the principle and practice of the pharmaceutical management structure, detail of the pharmaceutical advertising and sales promotion, designing, printing and aspect of the pharmaceutical sales, marketing strategies and marketing research, costing of the pharmaceutical promotional ads, effect of various promotional ads on doctors, consumers, their weightage of such promotional ads in the building of the sales and brand of the company. So in the last, my dear students, participants, sky is the limit in the pharmaceutical area, but we have to prepare for it. We are prepared for it, then there is no limitation. As high as we want to go, we will go and reach our destinations. So thank you very much for listening me very patiently.
Thank you so much, sir. Participants, if you have any questions, you can type in the chat box or you can ask sir. Any questions?
So thank you very much, ma'am, to give me an opportunity to reface all the
sir,
faculties.
actually, it's our pleasure to have you with us. Now, I request Mr. Deepak Singla to please present vote of thanks to our speaker. Over to you, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
A very good afternoon, everyone. A very good afternoon, everyone. I, Deepak Singla, Assistant Professor, on behalf of Guru Gobind Singh College, really extend vote of thanks to Dr. Shailesh Sharma. Sir, you spare the valuable time to grace the occasion. Your view on capacity building really enlightened the students and faculty members. Sir, as you said, sir, capacity building of pharmacy professional will help the pharmacist to choose core area. Once again, thank you very much, sir.
Dr. Salesh, we do not say this just to every speaker we invite, but you deserve to hear it from us. Dr. Sharma could not have asked for a better speaker at our program. And so thanks for honoring to the invitee and giving your very best. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Dr. Geeta Deswal to please present a vote of thanks on behalf of Guru Gobind Singh College of Pharmacy. Ma'am, please, it's over to you.
Thank you, Anjali. I, Dr. Geeta Deswal, on behalf of Guru Gobind Singh College of Pharmacy and entire faculty of the institute, first of all, extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. On behalf of my institute, I extend a really hearty vote of thanks to our speakers who spared their valuable time from their busiest schedule to grace the occasion. Today we had opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely be going to encourage us in our future events. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have shown us a new path. A special mention to our principal, sir, Dr. Kumar Gaurav, for being a catalyst that stimulates us to do our best and standing as pillar of the strength. Finally, I would like to thank all participants who made this conference most successful with their presence. At last, but not the least, I would like to thank our organizing secretary, Dr. Anjali Sharma, for the program, for conducting such a program, which is the need of present day in life of every student and academician. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, participants. Thank you, sir, once again. Okay. During this workshop, we have also done one offline activity, which was in the form of poster presentation. So I would like to announce the result of the poster presentation, which were presented by our students of B Pharmacy final year and master first and second year. So in this, the first prize goes to Jugnu and Nidhi of B Pharmacy fourth year with the flex ID of GG Scope 03. Jugnu and Nidhi. Second prize goes to Simran from M Pharmacy first year with the flex ID GG Scope 07. And third prize goes to Muskan Chauhan, B Pharmacy fourth year with the flex ID of GG Scope 05. And according to the judges, they have kept one consolation prize for Ria Lumba from the class B Pharmacy fourth year with the flex ID GG Scope 01. Again, I appreciate all the participants and thank you all. A feedback link will be shared to all of you. Kindly fill the feedback link so that e-certificates can be issued to all the participants. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Anjali ma'am.